if you look at the cutoff points in terms of income with those checks going out, I thought they were kind of high. A lot of those people making, what, 75,000, 150,000 joint would probably take that money and put it away and buy some stocks. And, I think what we've seen, Brian, is money, you talked about the volatility in the NASDAQ, rolling out of the big growth tech names and going into more deep cyclical names, turnaround situations, areas that have been really hurt by the pandemic. And the question will be, Brian, will those companies be able to deliver the same type of earnings growth that we've seen, let's say, out of the FANG stocks in the last couple of years? And that's going to be the big question. And will the money then rotate back into those names when that recovery does not come to fruition? So we'll just have to see what happens.
We're showing our viewers right now, Dan, you probably can't see it, these wild NASDAQ point swings, down 200 in one day, up 400, down 300. I mean, I understand percentages change when the numbers get bigger. I get it. These are big swings. Yesterday was the exception. What the heck is going on with technology stocks?
You got to remember, Brian, if we were sitting in this seat together a year ago, we would be looking at the SOX, which has gone up about 135% from that point. You look at the S&P information benchmark technology sector, that's up about 90%. So these groups have made huge runs. So I think it's reasonable to think, Brian, that you're going to see some volatility when you get that kind of increase in such a short time, only 12 months. And I think that's what you're seeing happening right now is just a little bit of money coming off, like I said before, rolling into the cyclicals. But, the fundamentals are so strong. I mean, I've been in this business for over 30 years. I've gone through, I went through the dot-com bubble. I went through the housing bubble. And it doesn't feel anything like that right now in terms of IT spending and so forth and earnings and multiples in the tech sector. Yeah. So I would expect things to continue to go really well. I don't see the thing evaporating like it did in the summer of 2000.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.